So I uploaded a video on YouTube and I received this particular message on YouTube, and of which this particular message is the message that I'm going to read out for you guys, and then so that you guys can apply solution. Why I'm actually doing this video is because a lot of persons have the same issues on YouTube, but what they do at the end of the day is just to go ahead and delete their content. And you guys know that the last time we talked, I said do not delete your content on YouTube no matter what the issue is, except if that particular video will actually give you a strike. So if you receive this particular kind of message from YouTube, and at the end of the day all you just that is just coming to your mind is to delete the video, this is the solution for you. So for those ones that are monetized, because this is for both people that are monetized or for both people that are not monetized, you will receive a message saying that you can no longer monetize your content, reasons, copyright claim or something like that. And for those ones that are not yet monetized, sometimes you will see it written boldly on your videos, copyright content. When it's appearing on your screen as someone that is monetized, you're going to be seeing the red sign button, which simply means you cannot monetize your video. Now this is the exact solution that you should do to get that content monetized back on YouTube, and secondly, to clear out the copyright content that you have on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonny and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. It is your time to do it. Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news, because I try my best to bring all the vibes on your table and give you the seamless way for you to get your channel monetized on YouTube. And with that being said, let's dive into the main tutorial. Receive a mail like this from YouTube saying video cannot be monetized, embracing the new me, which is the title of the video. And you can see it here: high life of vibe with Sonia, copyright content has been detected in your video, embracing the new me and enjoy my millionaire's life because of YouTube. The visibility of this video is not impacted, but you can no longer monetize it. The copyright owner is now either monetizing it or receiving analytics about it. This is not a copyright strike and does not affect your channel. Now you can see the content that is used, which is the content used, which is this particular song, and then you can see what you can do here. I don't want to go into it and read all of this. Now, how do we sort this copyright issue? Like I said, copyright issue should not be what a lot of you guys should be scared about, because it is not a copyright strike. And mind you, this video was the video I did. I went to the supermarket to actually shop something, so music was playing in the background. Not like I intentionally put the music inside the video. So there's every of that possibility. Now let me show you how we are going to do this. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome, and if you go to your Chrome, go ahead and click on YT, which is studio.youtube.com. If you're just hearing this for the first time, which is studio.youtube.com, and it will bring out this YouTube studio. So I'll go ahead and log in. Okay, now after logging in, you will notice that the content is showing ineligible copyright, and you notice that this content is unlisted. I have not published it. That is why it is not good for you to publish your videos immediately as you are uploading it. You understand? Put it on unlisted so that YouTube can do their check. Now, what am I going to do? Go ahead and click on the particular video that has that particular issue. Now, if you click on that particular video that has that particular issue, this is what is going to be showing you. And if you check on this other end here, you're going to see restriction, and it will show you that restriction copyright. Okay, now what do I do? Click on the copyright restriction, and it's automatically to show you copyright content found. The owners allow the content to be blah blah blah. Now what you're going to do is just to go ahead and click on see details. Now if you click on see details, now minimize this, and you're going to be seeing this: what happened, visibility, monetization is affected, and of which is your content is not making money. Then what is the gain? Now what are you going to do? You're going to go ahead and do what? Take action. Now I'm taking action because number one, it is not my music, and secondly, I did not intentionally put this. I actually got the music inside because I actually went to shop in the shopping mall. Anyways, now you can see there are three ways for you to be able to sort this out. Erase copyright song, which is remove the claimed song while keep other sounds such as speech or mute or sound. Now the second option is replace the song. Pick an audio from YouTube library to replace the claim audio and resolve the claim. And then the third one is what?
cut out videos and audio to claim segments to resolve it. And the last one is dispute. Now, this dispute come into it whereby you are the owner and someone is claiming it. So right now, I cannot choose dispute. I don't want to trim segments and I don't want the song to be replaced. So what I basically need to do is I want to remove the claim song and keep order of the sound, because in between there were other sound that was also there. So and I don't want to mute it, which is replacing song totally, that those other sound will not reflect. So I go ahead and click on erase. Now if I click on erase, it is going to show you continue. So go ahead and click on continue. If you click on continue, you can see erase song or you mute all sound in the claim segment. As you guys can see, this is a supermarket and that is why this claim just entered. Bam. Now go ahead and choose erase song. Tick this erase song, or if it's already ticked, you go ahead to click on save. Now, if you go ahead and click on save, this is what YouTube will actually bring for you. It said once your edits are applied to the permanent, you cannot be undone. You can still retrieve your original video with Google Takeout. That is if you wish. But me, I already acknowledge. So go ahead and click on acknowledge that these changes are permanent. Then go ahead and click on confirm changes. Now, if you click on confirm changes, it will go like this. And then the next thing for you to do is to wait for YouTube to give you their answer. As you can see here, once the changes is going on in the background or once the video is processing in the background, you can log out of your YouTube studio or just go and do other things. Once it is ready automatically, YouTube will come back to show you that the content is either monetized or not monetized. So video is editing, so let's wait until YouTube is done, then I'll come back and show you guys if it's accepted or not. Coming back, guys, to check out the video, and here you guys can see that the video is now being able to monetize. So this is the video. You can see that monetization is on. If I click on the video now and then this loads up, you can see that this particular place that is showing restriction is faint and is showing that is none. You understand? It simply means that this video can fully monetize and can earn. So this is exactly what you should always do whenever you have a copyright claim on your video. You understand? Just go and remove it without having any issues and still having your videos intact. Okay. Anyways, if this video is able to help someone, subscribe, follow if you're watching from any other place, like, comment, and share, and let's get right back to the video.
So much for watching, and I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you've been struggling with your channel, you don't even know what to do, how to do it, you don't even know how to go about it, you don't even know if your YouTube channel settings studio are in order, all you need to do is to send us a mail with this flyer you're seeing on the screen and with the mail that we're displaying for 3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail so that we can actually help you. This is all personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, we can actually achieve success like all of these results that you've been seeing me posting in my community. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I say in my videos. I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.